From the camera, right?
I mean,
That light all the way at the end of the tunnel.
this is the
never mind.
reflection.
Never mind, I see it now. It just looked like the light at the end of the tunnel.
Here you go. It's
Alright,
right
here's
here is a
one.
big separation here. Go back. I just want to show them. So right there, you've got about a 2-inch drop. Roots. These are all minor separations here. Another separation.
How big are these pipe lengths? Like 4 feet? 2 feet?
There should be, because they're heavy
5 feet,
clay,
right?
so
Oh,
they're not
these-
long.
These ones I think are 5 feet.
It's a good size separation right there.
Oh yeah, that's bonkers.
Oops.
Another separation with roots.
Yeah.
I think there's roots up here, but you can't see it.
Trying to get it to turn.
They're there, yeah. Another
Separation.
separation.
Separation. More roots. Oh, I reset the foot. Sorry. We're further than 3 feet. I accidentally reset it because I was holding the button here. Do you want me to pull it back in and reset it?
No, we'll go as far as we can, then we'll reset it. We'll see what the
Yeah.
negative is.
Gotcha.
Another big separation. There's a big guy. This is the 45. Yeah, look at that. You can see.
Man.
You can see the ground.
Mm-hmm.
If you go in like the tiny little bit there,
Right
yeah,
there.
you can see dirt.
Oh yeah.
So this is where it's going down. This is at
Yeah.
45 or 22.
Yeah.
So we should see that.
That blockage.
Well, the blockers should have been pushed.
Yeah, exactly. Well, hopefully that's gone.
Yeah. Another block or separation right there. Sorry.
That's all right.
Is that cracked?
Yep.
There. See it?
Yeah.
Cracked right there. I'm not touching anymore. So this is where that blockage was.
Yep, we're real close to it. Somewhere in here.
I think it was right here.
Oh, hold on. Keep
Oh
going.
yeah, the light.
There it is.
Alright.
This is all.
Alright, here
Oh
we
no,
go.
there it is. It's still there.
That's all. That's roots.
Yeah, that's all roots, dirt. Yeah, I definitely went out further than that.
Just poke through.
Yeah.
The only way we're going to be able to do anything with that is with the jetter. So it's just going to keep going below it. And like what happens is those roots are just like they just flop around.
Yeah.
They don't want to go anywhere.
Alright. So like, let me get this.
It's the same spot. as
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Poke through.
Oops, sorry. mean, without the header, I definitely got way further. I did hit some type of resistance. It could have been at 45, but it hit me further than that. And I was out at least 60 feet, more than that.
All right. So let's see if it'll clog up again. Let's throw some water down there.
Give me a second.